Hey, this is Todd. I am a regular dude walking in the Word. Hey, I'm out here. Well, you can see the path I'm going to go down, and over here, the path that I came from. I'm in Kissimmee State Park today, and hiking through there on the Florida Trail, and so I thought I'd stop here and do a little episode here. Today I'm going to be reading, we're going through Genesis right now, and I'm going to be reading from Genesis 33, 1 through 11. And this is, it's called Hatred, Murder, Deceit, Replaced with Brotherly Love. Okay? And this is Jacob and Esau getting back with each other, and there was hatred when they left each other. And in fact, Esau said, I'm going to kill you. So let's see what happens here. You can follow along if you have your Bible like I do here. This is Genesis 33, okay? It says this, Jacob looked up, and there was Esau coming with his 400 men. So he divided the children among Leah, Rachel, and his two maidservants. Now imagine if I see 400 men coming down the road from me here. I'd be like, what's going on? We had talked already about Jacob thought he was a dead man with 400 men coming after him, okay? And he put so he divided up the children thinking that maybe they won't all be killed, maybe just some of them. All right, so he put the maidservants and their children in front, Leah and her children next, and Rachel and Joseph in the rear. He himself went down to the ground 7 times as he went ahead, and he bowed down to the ground 7 times as he approached his brother. Now, I like this, that he has kind of changed his ways a little bit, and he's taking care of the women, and he's going first. So if someone gets killed, it's going to be him, and then maybe the rest of the family can escape. All right? So he goes there, and he's bowing down 7 times. Verse 4, but Esau ran to meet Jacob and embraced him and threw his arms around his neck and kissed him. And they wept. Then Esau looked up and saw the women and the children. Who are these with you? He asked. Jacob answered, they are the children God has graciously given your servant. Then the maidservants and their children approached, the wind is blowing, and bowed down. Next Leah and her children came and bowed down. Last of all, Joseph and Rachel came, and they too bowed down. All right? A few more verses here. Esau asked, what do you mean by all these droves I met? To find favor in your eyes, my lord, he said. But Esau said, I already have plenty, my brother. Keep what you have for yourself. No, please, said Jacob. If I have found favor in your eyes, accept this gift from me. Wow, this wind is really blowing here today. Accept this gift from me. For to see your face is like seeing the face of God. Now that you have received my favor, please accept this present that was brought to you. For God has been gracious to me, and I have all I need. And because of this, because Jacob insisted, Esau accepted it. Okay, so as we read through this, I like what he says at the end there. To see your face is like seeing God's. Okay, he's not equating. Don't get this wrong, that he's equating Jacob or Esau with God. Okay, not at all. He is saying, "Man, it is so good to see your face like this, and it's like I saw God." You know, and he had experienced God quite a bit here on his journey. So. What I want you to see from this whole episode here today is this: how there was so much hatred, and there was hate, deceit, all this ungodly character, but that was gone now. It was replaced with brotherly love, and so that's a huge thing, and only God can do that. Okay, I can't do that on my own. I would continue to have hate and deceit and Esau out to murder me and all that. But this is different. God has changed the hearts here. He's changed Jacob, and we can see that through his journey. But he's changed Esau, and we haven't witnessed it as we've been going through Genesis. But it's obvious that God has changed his heart here. And so anyway, if you need, if you have those things, the hatred and the desire to murder and deceit, ask God to change your heart. And he did. He did here in this story, and he will in your life too. Thanks for watching. I'm a regular dude walking in the Word, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we continue our journey through Genesis. Lord's blessing. I'll see you then.